Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss on improve your reputation. I'm here Vinita to discuss in this. So how to improve your reputation? Reputation, first of all, what it means? It means like belief or opinions which we carry on towards others, isn't it? Yes. So how to improve the reputation? So, one thing you have to fix is like do what you say and definitely fix the word. Like, if you're committing something to others, you're telling that you will give so and so thing for free of cost. Yes, due to some situation, if you cannot make it up, but still the word which you have given, which you have already mentioned, just stand for it. Give the thing for free of cost. And if you're committing someone that you will be at that particular time, or you will make it up at 3 o'clock today for this meeting, just try to attend that without fail. Just stand for what you say, so that will give you a good opinion to others. Just keep up your time to make things done. And second one is like go out of your way to help others to reach their goals. So how you can do, like if you're meeting some school going children and who's struggling to pay the fees for buying the books, or struggling to pay the school fees, just help them out. And whoever is needy, just try to help them out, and just give hands to them to come up. And not today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, or upcoming days or years, they will think the help which you have done. Even if they are not thinking, also you have done a good thing, right? Good help to others. So you will feel happy. End of the day, you will get satisfied. You feel complete satisfaction once you do something good for others. So that happiness, if you need, just help them. And third one is like get engaged with everyone whom you meet. So being engaged means getting to know people, giving you a time and being available to them. So if you are approachable, then definitely the people will come to you. The people will ask you whatever they need. Just try to be approachable. Try to spend your time with others to build a good rapport. And always try to do something good for others. And fourth one is like be likable. Be likable in the sense like be like what you are. Don't try to copy others. Just be like what you are and smile more. Approach someone you don't know and just give a handshake. And try to appreciate others. Just try to congratulate others. Try to encourage others. These small things definitely make a more value into others life. If you see someone is smiling at you, just give a smile back. Or if you see some children are playing, then encourage them. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, come on, come on. Just try to motivate them. Try to tell something good. Try to be with them. Try to encourage them for small activities. Even if your children coming and telling you that uh, they have they got appreciated in so and so subject, and teacher appreciated you, just spend your time with them. Tell them, yeah, it's a very good, and you have to keep moving forward. All this you have to tell. Even you will feel it's a small word, but definitely in others life it will give a good impact. So just try to congratulate, try to give positive words to them. So definitely the reputation towards you will become high, good, and you can improve your reputation. So just follow these steps. Definitely, I'm telling you, the people who have, people whom you know will just think you in a high level, and definitely you can make it up whatever you need. Thank you all for this and keep support me for each and every moment. Thank you all, friends. Bye.